Okay, what we have seen so far is we took all the numeric columns and we applied the same imputation technique, all of them to mean, and all the object columns, all of them to mode, right? What if you want to pick and choose between the different methods? Okay, so again, let's make a copy of DF2. Now we have all the missing values. We can do that using a dictionary. So you create a dictionary of column names as the key. So we have V1 through V5 as the column names. So we have a column names as key, and then colon what we want the missing values to be imputed with as the value. So here for V1, we take the V1 of DF2 and calculate whatever that we want. So here we want mean. For V2 we want median. V3 we want mean again. V4 and V5 are object columns, so mean and median won't work. So we say mode, we want mode. So that creates our dictionary. So V1, okay, it has the mean of V1. V2, it has the median of V2. V3, it has the mean. V4, the mode, and V5, again, the mode. Okay. Then we can use DF3 fill A. Okay, here, instead of a value, you put the dictionary here in fill A. Okay. All right. So now it is imputed all the, by each column, it used the dictionary to figure out what the imputed value should be. And we can automate this process. Of course, here it's really when you automate, then you end up doing the same thing for each type. So this one is your impute dictionary. You use a dictionary comprehension. So you have for x for x in all the numeric columns, then you find x colon the mean of x. Okay. And then you add, so you take the same dictionary and update it for the object columns and mode. So now you build the impute dictionary in this way. So you're automating. Okay. And then use that to impute. All right. So let's look at this. We first create DFQ6. Right? It's a copy of DFQ2. Okay. So well, okay. Now B is create a dictionary for imputing missing values as follows. Mean for, okay, so impute dictionary Q6, right? So we have to create a dictionary. Okay, so the dictionary should be between these two curly braces. right. The first one is age, and okay, so mode for all and do not include the target outcome. So I missed that there. I forgot about, okay, we already did that. Okay, so age is an object variable, so that should be, okay, remember, if you're not sure, then let's do this q6 dot info. So now you know what the data type is for each column. So age is object, so it's got to be mode for object columns. So that would be mode. So dfq5, right? q6, sorry, q6. dfq6 dot age, okay, dot mode, and for mode you have to use the first mode, okay, just in case if there are more than one mode, then if you don't specify the index, you'll end up with an error. Okay, the next one is the temp. Okay, that is supposed to be what? Mean for that and for pulse. For these two, mean, so dfq6 okay, dot mean, and then pulse dfq6 pulse mean. All right, then facts. Okay, so next is, well, temperature of extremities is mode, temperature of extremities is object. So we have temp of, okay, I'm going to copy paste just in case, oh, typos. dfq6. Okay, so now that's an object, so we need mode, and mode means we have to select the first one. Okay, next is peripheral pulse, and peripheral pulse is object. Okay, so once again that will be mode. Okay. Now packed cell volume, so we want median for packed cell volume and total protein, and outcome is the target, so we don't want anything to impute there. So we have packed cell volume okay, dfq6 packed cell volume, and that we want median, so we do median here. Instead of mean, we are using median. And then the last one is total protein, that's also median. Total protein, median. Okay. So that completes the dictionary where we have picked what exactly what we want to do for the missing values individually for each column. Okay. So now you run that. So now you have the dictionary. And using this dictionary that we want to impute now. Okay. So TFQ6 equal to DFQ6 that fill in A and give the dictionary. And then we can check whether it has done the imputing correctly or not. Okay, so well, that's the okay. So that's done the imputing now. So we are using this dictionary to impute. Right?